and welcome to my channel Little Floras. I'm Tushara. Today I'm going to share with you my recipe for onion chicken. It's a chicken curry with a delicious roasted onion gravy. So let's see how it is done. Here I have approximately 500 grams of chicken pieces. First we'll marinate it. A teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 tablespoons of garlic paste, a tablespoon of ginger paste, a tablespoon of lime juice, and a teaspoon of crushed black pepper. We'll mix it in and nicely coat the chicken pieces. We'll let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes until we prepare the onion gravy. So for the roasted onion gravy, you will need around 3 cups of sliced onion, a 1-inch piece of cinnamon, and 6 cloves. And the other ingredients you will need are 2 cups of chopped onions and some spices such as coriander powder, red chili powder, and garam masala powder. So the next step is to prepare the roasted onion gravy. For that, in a pan I have 2 tablespoons of oil heating up. To the hot oil we'll add the whole spices and roast them for a few seconds. Next we'll add the sliced onion, half a teaspoon of salt. So we'll saute the onions until they get a very nice brown color. So while the onions are roasting, in a different pan we'll cook the chicken. For that I have around 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil heating up. Into the hot oil I'll add the chopped onions. We'll saute the onions until they are slightly soft. So once the onions have softened, we'll add the marinated chicken pieces. And we'll cover and let the chicken cook for about 5 minutes over medium heat. Alright, the chicken was cooking for about 5 minutes. And then I opened the lid and let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. So it has completely dried up. At this point we'll add few spices, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1.5 teaspoons of red chili powder or asparagute, and a teaspoon of garam masala powder. You may even add chicken curry powder at this point. So now the heat is at minimum. We just coat the chicken pieces really well with the spices for about a minute. So now we'll add a cup of water. So now we'll cover it and let it cook for about 10 minutes or until the chicken is completely cooked. So by this time the onions have also roasted and they have got a very nice brown color. We're sprinkling a few drops of water once in a while so as to prevent it from sticking to the bottom. So finally we'll switch off the stove. I'll add a few drops of water just to lift all the caramelized onions and the flavor that is sticking to the bottom of the pan. So now we'll let this mixture cool down a bit and we'll blend it into a very smooth gravy with some water. So the chicken has been cooking for about 10 minutes now. It's almost 90% cooked. So at this point we'll add the roasted onion gravy which I have blended with some water into a very smooth paste. So we'll mix it in. At this point you can check for salt. Roasted onion gravy gives a very nice flavor of the caramelized onion, a slight sweetness as well. You can use this onion gravy even in vegetarian curries. It gives a very nice dimension to your curries. So now we'll let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Alright, the curry has been simmering for about 5 minutes now. The gravy has also thickened very well. So at this point there will be a slight tinge of sweetness to the curry, and moreover we have not added tomatoes, so we'll squeeze in a generous amount of lime juice to give it a nice tangy flavor. We'll garnish the dish with some green spring onions to give it a nice freshness. You may even add coriander leaves. I'll also add some crispy fried onions, so that's optional but it gives a very nice flavor. So that's it, the curry is done. So that was my recipe for onion chicken. It's a very versatile gravy. You can have it with any of the Indian breads or even rice. So if you like the recipe, please do give it a thumbs up. And if you try it, please post your feedback in the comment section below. You can follow me on social media. The links will be in the description box below. Until next time, it's bye from me. Thanks for watching.